Deep within Africa, the Yoruba people honor the Orishas, powerful deities embodying nature and human existence. This is the world of Santeria and the diviner Ifa, where ancient secrets whisper on the wind. For centuries, the Yoruba have turned to the Orishas for guidance and healing. Their rituals, passed down through generations, offer a profound connection to the divine. Join us as we journey into Santeria and unveil the power of the Yoruba Orishas. The transatlantic slave trade forcibly displaced millions of Africans, tearing them from their traditions. Yet the Yoruba people carried their beliefs across the ocean. Their faith became a beacon of hope in a new world. Transported to the Americas, they found themselves in a foreign land. Amidst slavery, their spirits refused to be broken. The Orishas journeyed with them, offering solace and strength. In secret gatherings, they kept their traditions alive. They sang, danced, and called upon the Orishas for guidance. The ships that brought enslaved Africans to the Americas carried the seeds of Yoruba faith. Hidden within their hearts, the Yoruba clung to their beliefs. These seeds, planted in a new world, would flourish. The Orishas journeyed with them, their presence felt in nature. They became symbols of hope, their stories shared in hushed tones. Each offering and song was an act of defiance. The transatlantic journey was a spiritual odyssey. They discovered the true depth of their faith. The seeds of Santeria found fertile ground in the Americas. Nourished by faith and tears, these seeds began to sprout, promising a future where their traditions would thrive. Forced into slavery, the Yoruba people maintained their cultural identity. Denied freedom, they sought refuge in their heritage. Music and dance became acts of resistance. The beat of the drums carried messages of hope. Each note was a prayer, each dance a testament. The Orishas offered solace and protection. Clandestine gatherings became sanctuaries of faith. They wove their traditions into their new lives. The rhythms of Santeria became a force for unity. Transforming pain into power, their music echoed resilience. Survival necessitates adaptation. The Yoruba, faced with Catholic dominance, preserved their faith through syncretism. The Orishas, cloaked as Catholic saints, continued to watch over them. Chango found resonance in St. Barbara, Yemaya in the Virgin Mary. These figures became bridges between two worlds. This blending was a testament to their resilience. It showed their ability to find common ground. The whispers of ancient wisdom found new life. Santeria emerged as a testament to faith's power. It demonstrated the adaptability of the human spirit. The Yoruba people's faith flourished in a new land. The Catholic Church presented both a challenge and an opportunity. Embracing Catholicism became a survival tactic. Beneath this veil, their ancient faith continued. Syncretism became the key to spiritual survival. The Orishas found counterparts in Catholic saints. Chango was associated with St. Barbara, Yemaya with the Virgin Mary. This merging was not superficial. The Yoruba saw the divine in different forms. Syncretism allowed them to honor their deities. Rituals were adapted, songs altered, offerings discreetly presented. Within their homes, true devotion unfolded. The Orishas, though veiled, were never forgotten. This delicate dance required discretion and creativity. The Yoruba people's faith survived and thrived. Syncretism became a testament to their resilience. Syncretism gave rise to a unique spiritual tapestry. The Orishas, cloaked as Catholic saints, became accessible to a new generation. Their stories were passed down, ensuring continuity. The Yoruba brought a new dimension to Catholic practices. Their music and dance infused rituals with energy. The Catholic Church gradually embraced this fusion. The line between saint and Orisha blurred. This syncretism became a testament to resilience. It showed faith's power to transcend boundaries. It found expression in challenging circumstances. Despite centuries of oppression, Santeria's flame never extinguished. It burned brightly in the hearts of the Yoruba people. The Orishas continued to guide and protect. Santeria's resilience lies in its deep connection to community. Rituals fostered a sense of belonging. Elders passed down traditions to younger generations. Today, Santeria's vibrant traditions are celebrated openly. Its music and dance captivate audiences worldwide. Santeria teaches the importance of cultural heritage. It shows faith's power to provide solace and strength. Santeria found a powerful voice in music. The rhythms of Africa evolved into new forms in the Americas. From bata drums to rumba and salsa, Santeria's influence permeated music. The bata drums became central to religious ceremonies. Their rhythms invoked the Orishas. Music served as a bridge between realms. This fusion gave birth to a rich tapestry of sounds. The Spanish guitar blended with African rhythms. Call and response vocals found new life. Santeria's influence extended beyond religious contexts. It shaped the musical landscape of the Americas. Music became a lifeline for cultural continuity. It offered a sanctuary for the Yoruba people. Through song and dance, they kept traditions alive. Rhythmic chants preserved their ancestral tongue. Stories of the Orishas served as oral histories. Music making fostered unity and solidarity. Drum circles transcended social barriers. The music of Santeria symbolized resilience. It transformed pain into art, preserving cultural identity through generations. Santeria's influence extended beyond religious ceremonies. Its rhythms shaped jazz, blues, and other genres. Syncopated rhythms found new life in jazz. Santeria's legacy is woven into American music. Jazz's improvisational nature echoes Santeria ceremonies. The blues share a common language with Santeria music. Both genres emerged from hardship and displacement. Santeria continues to inspire musicians across genres. Its legacy evolves and finds new expressions. Santeria music is a testament to cultural exchange. It preserves cultural identity through generations. Santeria holds a profound connection to nature. At its heart lies Ifa, the ancient system of divination. It views nature as a reflection of humanity. The Babalawo are interpreters of this sacred language. They study the ancient verses, the Odu. Through rituals, they seek the counsel of Orunmila. Ifa teaches that nature holds significance. The rustling leaves and flight of birds hold clues. This reverence for nature fosters balance. It reminds us we are part of nature's web. Ifa offers guidance through the rhythms of the natural world. The Odu, the sacred verses of Ifa, are not mere predictions of the future, but rather blueprints for navigating life's journey. Each Odu represents a different energy, a specific set of challenges and opportunities, much like chapters in the ever-unfolding story of our lives. Through divination, the Babalawo reveals which Odu governs a particular situation, offering insights into the energies at play and the potential outcomes. The wisdom of Ifa lies not in dictating a predetermined fate, but in empowering individuals to make informed choices. The Odu do not offer easy answers, but rather illuminate the potential consequences of our actions, guiding us towards aligning with our highest good. This process of divination is deeply personal and introspective. It encourages self-reflection, prompting individuals to examine their motivations, confront their shadows, and embrace their potential. The guidance offered by Ifa is not about avoiding challenges, but about facing them with courage, wisdom, and a willingness to learn and grow. The Odu serve as mirrors reflecting our inner landscapes, revealing our strengths, weaknesses, and the karmic patterns we carry. Through understanding these patterns, we gain the insight needed to break free from limiting beliefs, heal old wounds, and step into our full potential. Ifa's teachings extend far beyond predicting the future. They offer a framework for living a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Central to this framework is the concept of Iwapele, good character. Ifa teaches that true success and happiness are not measured by material wealth or social status, but by the quality of our character and our contributions to the world. The virtues emphasized by Ifa, honesty, integrity, compassion, and respect for all living things, resonate deeply with contemporary society's longing for ethical and sustainable living. In a world often driven by competition and material gain, Ifa offers a refreshing alternative, reminding us that true fulfillment comes from aligning our actions with our values and contributing to the well-being of others. The wisdom of Ifa is timeless and universal, offering guidance and inspiration for navigating the complexities of modern life. It reminds us that true power lies not in controlling external circumstances, but in mastering ourselves, cultivating inner peace, and living in harmony with the natural world. By embracing the teachings of Ifa, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, uncovering our hidden potential and learning to live with greater purpose, integrity, and compassion. In the heart of Santeria beats the rhythm of community, a faith woven by shared beliefs and vibrant rituals. Imagine a dimly lit room pulsating with energy. This is where the Orishas descend, where the veil thins, gatherings infused with music, dance, and offerings. The beta drums call forth the Orishas, a symphony of sound and movement. Social barriers dissolve within this sacred circle, united by shared devotion to the Orishas, bound together by shared humanity. The rhythms of remembrance. Santeria rituals honor one's ancestors. Spirits of ancestors offer guidance and protection. In rhythmic chants and dances, pouring libations and food offerings, the community calls upon their ancestors to share wisdom and blessings. This connection provides continuity, linking to rich cultural heritage. We are part of a lineage beyond our lives, a tapestry woven by countless generations. Section 3. A tapestry of belonging. In a world where individualism often overshadows community, Santeria offers a refreshing alternative, a path to belonging rooted in shared experience and mutual support. It's a faith that embraces the full spectrum of human emotions, offering a space to celebrate joys, share sorrows, and find comfort in the embrace of community. The act of coming together, of moving and singing as one, creates a powerful sense of unity and belonging. It transcends language barriers and cultural differences, reminding us that at our core we share a common humanity. This sense of belonging extends beyond the physical realm. Through their connection to the Orishas and their ancestors, practitioners of Santeria tap into a spiritual lineage that connects them to a community that extends across time and space. In a world often fractured by division and conflict, Santeria offers a vision of a more harmonious way of being, a world where community is valued, diversity is celebrated, and the sacred is found not just in temples and churches, but in the everyday acts of sharing, supporting, and celebrating life together. A legacy of resilience, a future of harmony. From the sun-drenched shores of Africa to the journey of Santeria and the diviner Ifa, forcibly displaced, stripped of their freedoms, the Yoruba people clung to their faith, transforming adversity into resilience. The Orishas found new homes in the hearts of their devotees, their presence felt in the rhythms of the drums and the unshakable bonds of community. Syncretism became a testament to their ingenuity, preserving traditions while navigating a new world. The legacy of Santeria is a living testament to the power of faith. Section 2. Your journey into the heart of Santeria. As we conclude our exploration of Santeria and the diviner Ifa, we invite you to reflect on the profound lessons embedded within this ancient tradition. The resilience of the Yoruba people, their unwavering faith, and their ability to find beauty and meaning even in the darkest of times, offer timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of our modern world. We've journeyed through the vibrant rituals, felt the pulsating rhythms of the drums, and delved into the profound wisdom of Ifa, uncovering the secrets whispered by the wind and etched in the patterns of nature. But the true journey begins within. How does the story of Santeria resonate with you? What lessons of resilience, adaptability, and the importance of community speak to your own life experiences? Share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Orisha Oasis TV for more captivating explorations of spirituality, culture, and the enduring power of ancient wisdom. Until next time, may the Orishas guide and protect you on your journey.